let's say that we have a situation where, let's say that we're presented with a problem where, let's go with Billy has 4 miles to walk before he gets to school. How far is that distance in kilometers? So we got a situation here, and we want to know what it is in kilometers. In class, you learned that if I want to convert something, I use the conversion factor. I just set up myself a multiplying fraction problem with a conversion factor. But like I said in class, there's more than one way to do this thing. So I'm going to show you kind of a diagram format for how that works. And what we're going to do is we're going to imagine the situation like it's one big block of information. This right here represents Billy's distance. How far is Billy's distance? It's 4 miles. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to separate that into 4 equal sections. And of course, each section would represent 1 mile. Right? So we got 1 mile, 2 mile, 3 mile, 4 mile. All right, and what do we want this to be changed into? We want this to be changed into kilometers. So instead of 4 miles, we want it to be changed into some amount of kilometers. So to solve that problem, we've got to figure out how many kilometers are inside of a mile. Well, if we want to know the answer to that, we've got to get our conversion chart out. I've got to look on page 85. You have that. So if you look on page 85, you see that there are 1.61 kilometers inside of a mile. So instead of there being 1 mile right here, what we're going to do is put 1.61 kilometers each time we have a mile. And then what do you think we're going to do with all that?